Definition of acid rain: precipitation that has a pH of less than that of natural rainwater, which is about 5.6 due to dissolved carbon dioxide. Second point, it is formed when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide as gases or fine particles in the atmosphere combine with water vapor and precipitate as sulfuric acid or nitric acid in air in rain, snow or fog. The causes of acid rain and its effects. Causes: when fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, and oil are burned in industrial processes, automobiles, and power plants, they release two pollutants into the atmosphere: sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. For example, lakes and rivers are also damaged by acid rain, so fish or die. Then second example, tree is very beautiful. By acid rain, the tree is very dry. I hope you have understood the examples. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.